Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, giving thanks for less tax. Well, I think about clients of ours from the great state of Illinois, right in the Chicago area. I was talking actually with the husband just this week, and he said, Chuck, it's amazing the amount of tax we saved. In fact, our own accountant, CPA, could hardly believe it. He said, we actually, for the first time, actually got a refund from the state of Illinois. He couldn't actually be happier. And I think about many boomers and retirees from around this country that we've been able to teach how to get not just a head start, right, to be tax smart, but learning things about how to Roth convert strategically, how to prevent up to 85% of their Social Security getting taxed, knowing which amounts from which accounts to always maintain staying in the lowest tax bracket to be a low tax, or in some cases learning some Roth alternative strategies, all of which I'll be teaching this Tuesday, to either be a low tax or even a no tax retiree. And folks, you've worked hard for your money. There's much to give thanks to, and especially and for. But the idea of taxes is something that we all can benefit from if we take the time to learn what can be done, right, or what you can do to lower your taxes, especially starting out in 2022. And there's still time, folks. And like I said, there's never too early, it's never too late to get a head start to learn how to be tax smart, especially with how much the government is forcing, right, the higher taxes, putting 79 of 80 billion dollars towards the tax initiative to try to find more tax when about somewhere around, I think it's 75% or 50%. I forget what the information came out in the Wall Street Journal this week, but a high percentage of that is targeting people with incomes less than $75,000 a year. So when I say they're looking for tax from in every corner, in every crumb, and every morsel, folks, they are. The good news is there's things that you can legally, ethically, and morally do to be a low tax or a no tax retiree. And I want to teach you some of those strategies this coming Tuesday at retirementprotected.com. Many of you this time of the year have reached out and said, I heard you when I was driving. I heard you when I was visiting family, and especially with more people obviously traveling this year compared to last year. It's amazing over the years, clients that have found us that have said, wow, these hidden wealth tax saving solutions, I didn't know, right? Or the person we've worked with for many years, right, just doesn't really address taxes. Folks, here's the reality. There's three key things that we emphasize: prepare, prevent, and protect. And those three key things are around the areas of tax, number one, elimination. See, if we don't address the taxes, everything else is going to be inferior. So tax elimination, asset and income maximization, and thirdly, legacy preservation. I want you to know that you can give thanks for being able to optimize all of those key three areas, and you can learn to do the same as many of your friends and neighbors have done from all around this country. Go to retirementprotected.com, that's retirementprotected.com, and learn how you can get a head start, because it's never too early or too late to get a head start to learn what you can do to be tax smart and what you can do to prevent and save taxes in 2022. Folks, you work hard for your money. Imagine less tax, less stress, less worry, all this higher inflation. The number one thing you can take care of of higher inflation is to eliminate unnecessary taxation, but also be teaching things that you can do to stay ahead or outfox inflation while you also avoid unnecessary taxation. You work hard for your money, folks. Let's get to work. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com, and learn how you can give thanks for less tax.